This is Josh of Basic Value, and for today, I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a star with Scratch. So first, you want to go to the dashboard and then look for the events, then get this one. And then right after you get that, you want to get to motion, go to, all right? So I'm going to give you the values. It's just 0, 0. Okay, let's just set this to 0 really fast right there. So we're going to go to the pen tool. So first, erase all, then pen down. After pen down, set pen size to 10. And then change pen color by 10. Or just set pen color to red. So whichever could come first. So or whichever you like. Then after that, you want to do this repeat 5 steps. Then move 200 steps. And then turn clockwise 144 degrees. So if we open that in here, it would look like this. So there you have it. There's a star. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is your boy Josh. Peace out.